Yeah, yeah,
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm just playing around with the MAC and PatrickStarrr spring collection in Me So Chic. There's one color that I'm just living for, and it's this fuchsia color that I'm using all over my lid. In the beginning of the video I added another clip from another day that I used the same color as an eyeliner, and it looked super cute. So this package cost $49.50 or like $49.99, and it comes with a blush bronzer duo that's right there, 4 eyeshadows, a lipstick, and a lip gloss. So it's one hell of a deal. And what I'm doing right here is I just wanted to add like a gloss to it. I feel like it looks super dope. So I'm just adding an eye gloss to it. Sometime coming up soon. And here's the lip gloss. Honestly, this is like the reason why I bought the whole thing. It's a really pretty purple gold iridescent color, especially for summer like this. Some bronzer, like hello, goodbye, you good. And yeah, that's it, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in the next video.